Wow. You gotta bite him real hard, squirrel. I don't think you're gonna make it. I don't think that squirrel's gonna make it. Still got a chance. That snake's got plenty of body and time left. Wow. I know you're probably all thinking, why don't I do something? But I don't interfere with nature, because the snake needs to eat too. And that is going to keep the snake good for a few days. Many of you hate squirrels anyway when you think about it, don't you? I don't, but you do. And also, I'm not putting myself up as an alternative, just in case this thing thinks it could get after me. Not that I think that's a poisonous snake. If it's not, a king snake? It might be a king snake. And it is attempting to eat the squirrel. No, come back here. Don't you do that, camera. It's a cloudy day, otherwise I'd probably have a better thing, but that is insane. Nature is hell. Yeah, you're not, I don't know, there's a squirrel. Your friend is gone. Just forget about it. It's over. Yeah, move on. And now back to the show. Standing right next to a road, so I can't move too far to the side to get an angle. If I were desperate enough, perhaps I could capture them both. I'm honest with you. Both a snake and a squirrel. But I don't. This is insane. I am hungry, by the way. I don't think this is making me any more hungry. Look, squirrel friend, I'm sorry I hear you yipping, but your friend is now part of a snake. Your friend is now a snake. Yeah. I'm sorry you lost your friend. I am. But, it's not coming back. This is one of those videos where I wonder how the hell people got that video. It's happening to me right now. I still can't quite believe it, but I should probably switch to other side, but now I have to just keep filming this. Try not to disturb the snake. No point in disturbing the squirrel. Holy cow, look at that thing. Look at it expand to this is insane. I mean, I've seen it on nature shows and possibly other people's YouTube videos, but just watching it happen, this is crazy. Probably only have 2 or 3 minutes left till my camera overheats and shuts down. Yeah, there you go. Put some hustle into it. Now you gotta keep going. It's like, I could obviously get you if I wanted, but I'm not going to. Who are we kidding? You ain't gonna move for a while after you eat that thing. Looks like he got the head on, but oh, can you get deeper on it? Yeah, it's a good bite. You get some traction. It's not fighting anymore, so you obviously don't have to worry about that. You might take your time if I weren't standing here watching you. But, hey, come on. Thinks that squirrel's into the acceptance phase. Not the devil. But it's fine. I was joking. Oh, look at that. It's gone. Alright, so I mean, we had a pet snake as a kid. We put goldfish in a little ice cream bowl, and we'd go get the goldfish. But this is next level from pet snake eating goldfish. This is roadside snake eating squirrel that it got by itself, and it didn't seem to catch it, but damned if I won't stick it out till it finishes eating it. There you go. There you go. Yeah, there's another squirrel chirping, but it's not as close as the one that was right here when it happened. There we go. Yeah, that squirrel's getting closer. It's probably like, why aren't you doing anything? But I don't get involved, man. Not at least in the pure nature thing. You know, if it was somebody's pet or something, yeah, but this is just random snake versus random squirrel. Random snake deserves to eat its food. I don't think the squirrels are too happy. Don't take it out on me now. You see a snake and you know you kill a snake. If you guys would work together, you could probably do it, but you stupid squirrels can't stop fighting amongst yourselves. There's one leg left to go. Just one leg. Wow. Let me get this deal done. Do it. Sure, it's aware of my presence. People passing by may think I'm crazy, but of course if they were to stop and inspect, they would realize that nature is the one that's crazy. Wow, look at the little paws. Aw. This is the last time anybody will see that squirrel. Probably getting bit to hell. I have food at the house that I was expecting to start eating by now. Should be home. Close enough. Oh my god, that's insane. Nobody would even be able to check for prints. One last bit, buddy. Look at you all. Ginormous. And there it is. Good job, snake. Great job, snake. Oh, look at the tongue come out. There it is. Wow. Yeah, peristalsis that all the way down. It's a great job. I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you. Now I'm gonna leave before I get hit by a car. But I'm super proud of you. Great job. Okay. Well, I never saw a squirrel. I ain't saying shit.